Alright, so welcome again people to MG Sports TV. Don't know anything already. May I tell you, so the big matchup is out and I have the I have the fixtures, but the fixtures we're gonna discuss that thing tomorrow. We're gonna touch on that either tomorrow or Tuesday. Maybe more than likely probably when Tuesday or I think Monday night. May I leave it for tomorrow. That's the fixtures for the preview of the Manning Cup. But the games are going to be played on Wednesday. So technically I wonder if I should use tomorrow or Tuesday for the Manning Cup fixtures. But we're going to look at the seedings and the teams that will play against each other. We're going to show you guys how we look and what to expect. So before we get into that, please do smash the like button. People, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time so we can get straight into it. Let's look at it. So I'm done telling people. Big boys time, yeah? Yeah, so these are the seedings. These are the seedings, people. Look at the seedings. So at this moment we have Stats versus KT. We don't kind of foresee that in our aspect. Then we have Jamaica College versus Eltham. We have Mona versus Jonathan Grant. We have Georges versus Diego. And we have Kingston College versus Campion. Oh, yeah, me I tell you. Hold on, so I wonder how that change. How they want that change. Interesting. Kingston College versus Diego. I want to kind of interesting. Haile Selassie versus Tivoli Garden. Woolmans versus St. Catherine. And Excelsior versus Idle. Now, there are some good matchups. I think that JC maybe get the... JC and Mona kind of get the easiest matchup out of it. I think those are the two easiest matchups. I think Eltham, good team, but I don't know. I'm not sure if they have the caliber to go up against JC as yet. Jonathan Grant, good team. But Mona, I think Mona is superior to them at this moment. And so it's Eltham, Jonathan Grant. I think those are the two teams. No, the Catching versus the Campion versus Kingston College. I think it's going to be a good matchup. Excelsior versus Idle. Yo, that's a good game. That's definitely going to be a good game. Now, even though Idle is seeded higher, I think the one they are going to be kind of interesting, you know. I think the one is going to be really, really interesting. Alright, so, but definitely, as Mr. People, it's a big boy time, yeah? No excuses, strictly results. Strictly results. So, these are what the seeding look like. So, at this present moment, I'm not going to go too far tonight. Tell us what you think in the comment section. Tell us what you think from your perspective is a better matchup. I think maybe Stats KT are the better matchup here. Stats KT, Excelsior Hydel, and Catching Woolmans. I think those are the two top matchups from what I'm seeing here. I think those are the two matchups. Anyways, big up yourself, people. Tell us what you think in the comment section. I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. Road people. Boom. God bless.